Imagine finally buying the car you've wanted for years. It looks premium, drives smooth, feels like a life upgrade. Then a warning light comes on, and the service advisor says, "This isn't covered under warranty." That's when a car can turn into a long-term expense. Today we're looking at specific cars that can become costly to repair as they age. Not because they're bad, but because some systems are simply expensive once the warranty is gone. And some of these models are very popular right now. Let's start. Cars like the Volkswagen Passat, Tiguan, Jetta, and Golf with turbo petrol engines offer a refined, solid European feel that many drivers genuinely enjoy. The ride quality, cabin design, and highway stability make them feel more premium than many rivals. But after 5 to 7 years, ownership costs can slowly rise. These engines use direct fuel injection, which can lead to carbon buildup on intake valves over time. Cleaning this buildup requires specialized equipment and labor, and it's not part of standard servicing. If left unattended, it can affect smoothness and efficiency. Many of these cars also come with DSG, dual-clutch automatic transmissions. They provide fast, responsive shifts and good fuel economy. However, the internal clutch system and the mechatronic control unit are complex. Repairs, when needed, can be significantly more expensive than conventional automatic gearboxes. Cooling systems also rely on plastic housings and thermostat modules that can wear with age, leading to leaks that require prompt replacement. None of these issues make the cars bad. They just mean long-term ownership may require a maintenance budget closer to a luxury car than a typical family sedan. Next, we step into performance luxury. The BMW 3 Series, 5 Series, X1, and X3 are famous for delivering one of the most engaging driving experiences in their segments. Sharp handling and strong engines are a big part of their appeal. As these cars age, maintenance can become more technical and therefore more expensive. Many models use electric water pumps and electronically controlled thermostats. These systems improve efficiency but cost more to replace than traditional mechanical components. Cooling system maintenance becomes very important because overheating in turbo engines can lead to serious damage. Oil leaks from gaskets and seals are also common on higher mileage engines. While not unusual for performance cars, the labor required to fix them can be high due to tight engine bays and layered components. BMWs also use advanced suspension systems and multiple driving modes, which add extra sensors and electronic parts that may eventually need attention. They remain fantastic cars to drive even after years. But ownership costs often reflect the level of engineering that makes them special in the first place. Now, let's move to luxury SUVs with off-road DNA. The Discovery Sport, Range Rover Evoque, and Land Rover Discovery combine comfort, technology, and genuine off-road ability. Few vehicles balance these traits as well, but that capability comes with added mechanical and electronic complexity. Many of these models use air suspension systems that automatically adjust ride height. They provide superb comfort and versatility, but air struts, compressors, and ride height sensors can wear over time. These components cost more to replace than traditional springs and shocks. These SUVs also feature multiple terrain modes and advanced traction systems. While extremely capable, they add extra modules and sensors that may need servicing as mileage increases. Interior technology is another area to consider. Large infotainment systems, digital displays, and comfort electronics are sophisticated and sometimes require specialist diagnostics. Owning one delivers a premium experience. Maintaining that experience long-term can require a premium-level maintenance plan. Next is a brand known for rugged versatility. The Jeep Compass, Cherokee, and Grand Cherokee are popular for their bold styling and all-terrain capability. They are designed to handle a mix of city driving and rougher conditions. That versatility can mean more wear over time, Some models use advanced multi-speed automatic transmissions designed for both efficiency and capability. These systems are complex, and repairs can be costly if internal components wear out. Four-wheel drive systems also add transfer cases, electronic clutches, and multiple sensors. These parts improve traction, but increase the number of components that may eventually need maintenance. Because many Jeeps are driven on uneven surfaces, suspension parts, bushings, and wheel bearings may wear sooner than on vehicles used only in cities. Electrical features such as infotainment systems and driver assist sensors can also require updates or repairs as vehicles age. They are capable SUVs built for varied use, but buyers should be prepared for maintenance that reflects that capability. Now, we return to refined German luxury. The Mercedes C-Class, E-Class, GLC, and GLE deliver a blend of comfort, performance, and advanced safety technology that defines modern luxury driving. As these cars get older, the same advanced systems that make them impressive can increase repair costs. Many models use airmatic air suspension, offering a smooth and adaptive ride. Over time, air struts and compressors may require replacement, and those parts are more expensive than conventional suspension components. Turbocharged engines with direct injection offer strong performance and efficiency, but they also involve more sensors, hoses, and cooling components that can need service in later years. Mercedes vehicles are also known for having a large number of electronic control units. These manage everything from adaptive headlights to driver assistance features. Replacing or reprogramming modules often requires dealer-level tools and can be costly. They are engineered for a luxury experience. Keeping them operating at that level over many years usually means higher ownership expenses. And finally, the SUV that brings together luxury, size, and maximum complexity. The Range Rover and Range Rover Sport represent the peak of luxury SUV design, combining performance, technology, and off-road strength. They also contain some of the most advanced systems in the segment. Air suspension is standard on many models, delivering exceptional comfort and adjustable ride height. However, struts, compressors, and valves can be expensive to replace as the vehicle ages. These SUVs also feature extensive electronic systems controlling terrain modes, safety features, and interior comfort. Diagnosing electrical issues can take time and specialist equipment. Because they are heavy and powerful, components such as brakes, suspension arms, and cooling systems work harder and may need replacement more often than on smaller vehicles. Labor costs are also higher due to tight packaging and the complexity of the systems involved. They offer an outstanding driving and luxury experience, but long-term ownership can require a very strong maintenance budget and careful upkeep. Here's the key takeaway. None of these vehicles are bad choices. In fact, most of them are excellent when new and properly maintained. But they share one important trait: advanced engineering that can become expensive to maintain as they age. Before buying used, look beyond the badge, features, and price. Research long-term maintenance trends, common repair areas, and parts costs. Because sometimes the real price of a car isn't what you pay to buy it. It's what you spend keeping it running smoothly year after year. Which of these cars do you think is worth the maintenance? And which would you only own with a warranty? Let me know in the comments.